In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can use Twitter fleets. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all, if I start off by going over to my Twitter account, and then as you can see there on the top bar, there's an option for you to add a Twitter fleet. So what people will recognize this for, if you are new to Twitter and things like that, you'll recognize these as being similar to Instagram stories. So if you go ahead and you click on add, what that will do is it will bring this up here. So what you can do is you can add a text, you can go to your gallery, you can do a capture with your camera, and you can also add a video. So you can do this also with your camera. So if I go ahead and go to text now, I can share a fleet. So for this example, I'll just go ahead and put tutorial, and then you can go ahead and make it bold. You can change the color and all things like that. So you can go ahead now and click on done once you're happy with your fleet, and then click on fleet in the top right corner. And then what that will do is it will post a fleet to your timeline. And then if I go back and I click on this now, as you can see, the fleet that I have just created is now there, and it will be there for up to 24 hours. And then after that, what it will do is it will disappear, and then it will be gone forever. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.